The following message is transmitted at the request of the U.S. government. At 10:03 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a large unknown creature was detected by the State Oceanic Administration of China. The creature is a large squid-like creature from beneath the surface. It is estimated to have come from the depths of the ocean. It is believed that this giant squid was suddenly woken up. It has been damaging fault lines, causing worldwide earthquakes on the Richter scale to occur. It has also been causing giant tsunamis and sinking land masses. Half of Europe has already been destroyed. Scientists estimate that the creature is over 300 miles large and travels at 5,000 miles per hour. The U.S. military has been joining other nations' forces to try and stop this beast, but guns, ICBMs, and all other weapons have failed to harm the creature. Scientists also estimate that this reckless creature has a great chance of crushing every land mass and destroying all land. This creature was discovered at such a late time, there is nothing humanity can do to stop it. It is recommended that you gather with your friends and family and move closer to the middle of your island or landmass and away from fault lines.